Yo, this video right here, man, is about hard work isn't enough. Hard work isn't enough. If hard work made people rich, every construction worker you see or saw or see on a daily basis, they will all be millionaires. So let's be real. Hard work is not enough. And if nobody told you yet, this video might change your life. So, like I said, man, I used to think working harder than everybody else, I'd win. More hours, more work, less sleep, more grind, right? But I was completely wrong. I started noticing that people that work less hours than me were making more than me. So that killed me. I'm like, wow, I'm working so hard and trying to be the best around the clock, putting in more hours than these guys. The person that's at home on vacation is making more than me while I'm at work. Make that make sense to me. You know what I mean? So the thing about that was that I did realize I wasn't missing the effort. I was missing strategy, right? Strategy. So you could grind all day, but if you run in the wrong direction, you're just getting tired. You're not going anywhere. So that's a real quote that I love, and I got my notes written down. So we're just going to keep, because I wrote a lot of notes for this video right here. I want to make sure I touch on a couple different things. So a lot of people are busy, but not all people are productive. You have to know where you're going so you could get to where you're going. If you don't know where you're going, you just running in place. You don't want to run in place, man. You know what I mean? Running in place, you're going nowhere. So we got to get where we got to get. And there's a difference between being busy and productive. Busy is working 10 hours doing random stuff. Productive is working 2 hours, maybe even 1 hour, doing the right thing, right? So never forget that right there. Productive is working 1 hour, 2 hours, doing the right thing that's moving you in the correct direction that you want to go to. So we're going to keep it going. I got another point. So you need leverage. Nobody talks about people win without working, right? You got the construction worker working hard. You got, let's just say, I don't know. I don't want to just knock professions, but the guy working at the grocery store, working hard. You see them stacking shelves all day long. But then you have other things. When you leverage it, you got stuff like social media that can make you money. Making content can make you money. Business systems make you money. Other people, you can make money. One post can reach thousands of people. One connection can change your whole life. Keep those things in mind when you're out. You're thinking working hard is going to get you further than the person sitting next to you. Keep those things in mind, because I did. What else? Your environment matters. Your environment matters. If you're the most motivated person in your circle, you're in the wrong circle. And I experienced that as well. If I'm the smartest person in the room, I'm in the wrong room. If I am the smartest person in the room, I'm in the wrong goddamn room. I need to be in another room. I want to be the dumbest motherfucker in the room. And I say that honestly, because then I can learn off of somebody and I could help better my situation than what I think I'm already doing. Because we ain't doing much most of the time, man. We just compare ourselves to each other or our family members. That's not the way to go. So you can't grow around people who are comfortable. Comfortable is something very bad. Comfortability is something that holds you back. It makes you stay in your zone. It keeps you in a comfort zone. But when you chasing like success, money, comfortable, it's just not in the same field. You know, you can't be comfortable. You can't be comfortable. That's how you stay stuck for years. You have to have purpose in your life, right? So, like I said, man, this is going to be a short video. I just want to get to this. I just wanted to get this one out for the day. If you're really trying to level up, not just talk about it, but actually do it, hit that subscribe button, man. I'll have more videos up like this. And anything you want to talk about, drop it in the comments. I'll be in the comment section. And hopefully today could be your day to level up. Welcome back to the channel.